Alright guys, in today's video we're going to install front tow hooks on this Ram 1500 Classic. So I got these hooks and bezels off Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. But obviously it's got the two hooks and it came with hardware and instructions. And then these are the bezels and these came with some hardware as well. And this is a SLT, so it's one of the lower end poverty models. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is remove the old bezels. So there's 4 10mm bolts, 2 on each side. Okay, here's comparing the two bezels, and the hardware that came with the new ones is Allen head. So I want to reuse the 10mm bolts. So these clips here, you just bend this little tab out right there, and then you can just put it on the new one. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, got the old clips on the new bezel, so I can just slide this in. Like that, and then put the 10mm bolts back in. Get these tightened down. We'll do the same for the other side. Okay, up next, we got these two 18mm nuts right here, so we'll go ahead and remove those. Okay, so I kind of pre-assembled this, so this bracket goes on the bottom of the tow hook, and then this bracket's held down by the nuts here. And I didn't tighten it all the way down yet, it's kind of loose on there. And then you got this little locating pin here. So they give you 3 of these. So on mine, both the locating pins are on the left, looking at it from underneath. So this one's not gonna get used. So it must be some model year trucks have this, I'm not sure. All right, I'll put this assembly in place. Put these nuts back in. And then on these ones, I'll just use the open end of the 18mm, tighten them. Okay, this is what the driver's side looks like, all done. Alright, this job's done, got both of them on. This will be nice to have some sort of attachment point in the front end, otherwise there's nothing here if you get stuck in the snow or something. So it's not too bad. It's about $100 for the hooks, $30 for the bezels, so $130 altogether, and it doesn't really take that long to install. All right, thanks for watching.